Hey, Mike with the Grill Cleaning Pro. Hope you're all having a great day and cleaning lots of grills. Got a question from somebody asking how many grills can one person realistically clean in a day? And that's certainly going to be that's a question and an answer for that's going to vary for everybody, because it really kind of depends upon your level of cleaning. It could also, if you're doing a deep cleaning compared to a kind of an express clean, you're certainly going to get more done on an express clean than you are with a full deep cleaning. But it also depends upon the size of the grill, the age of the grill, if the grill has ever been maintained, if they've ever tried to clean it themselves. So there's a lot of factors that kind of go into how many grills one person can clean a day. On average, for my company, I try to train for my techs to do 3 grills a day, but that's not right away. That's not immediately. After training, I only ask them to do 2, and then when they're comfortable adding that third one, then we'll throw that third one in there. But 3 can be a very long day. It can be a arduous day, feel like you're in a bullfight, sometimes. So it really kind of depends upon a lot of factors. If you're just starting out, I'd probably recommend doing 1 grill a day if you plan on doing a very thorough deep cleaning, until you kind of get your processes down and your procedures and your routine down. Just do 1 a day until you get all that down, and then add in a second one. You don't want to necessarily start thinking that you're Superman and can do 3 grills a day and find out that you're having to reschedule that third one because you're running out of daylight or time, or you just got your butt kicked on the first 2. So do 1 a day, work it up to 2, and then work up to 3, or however many you're going to do. Now, if you're doing an express type clean, you might be able to get 4 or 5 of those a day, or more, depending on the level of detailing that you're going to be doing. So I hope that helps and hope that answers the question, and we'll talk soon.